Welcome to our room here at the Modern, a Hilton Vacation Club. Come on inside. This is an absolutely stunning property and I'm so excited to show you around. We've got Steven over here. How's it going, Steven?
I mean, I can't complain. This place is incredible.
What's been your favorite part so far about our trip here?
Probably the sunrises. The sunrises in Hawaii are just magical, especially the one over in Lanikai. It was so beautiful.
I think for me, it was getting out on the water and being able to swim with dolphins and the Hawaiian green sea turtles. I feel like that was such a magical moment and everything's just felt like paradise.
Yeah, as a memory, I definitely will never forget.
And speaking of paradise, I gotta show these guys a room tour.
Oh, the room is so gorgeous.
So come on over this way. So this is the penthouse suite here, and it is so spacious, so luxurious. If you are a couple or a family, you will absolutely love this. So we have our very nice large bed over here. It's super comfortable, perfect for a nice night's sleep, but that's not the best part. If you come on over here, look at these views that you're gonna get every single morning. Like, come on, that is just stunning. And then of course you have a very nice big TV when you're here to relax in the afternoon. But I personally love the bathroom for some relaxation. We have his and her sinks over here. We have 2 shower heads and we have a gorgeous bathtub to soak in. And it's just been such a nice way to relax out here in Honolulu. And
I got a little surprise for you.
oh, well, thank you so much.
I mean, I feel like this is the perfect spot to pop the champagne, don't you think?
It really is just so romantic out here. Like, what could you ask for? You have beautiful views, champagne, a gorgeous room. It really is just so magical.
All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Well,
All
cheers.
right. Cheers to a lovely stay here at the Modern, a Hilton Vacation Club. It has been so amazing.
I feel like everyone needs to experience this at least once in their life.
It doesn't get better than this, honestly.
Yeah, let me put this down.
Take it all in. Look at these views. I mean, so magical.
There's some people going out on the Sunset Catamaran. I could take in a view like this every single day.
And if you're celebrating something special, like an anniversary or a honeymoon, like this is the spot to do it.
Cheers to more trips like this.
Cheers. So beautiful. Oh, look at the canoes going in.
And I think the fireworks are going off tonight, right?
I'm excited.
Do we think the clouds are gonna catch color tonight?
Oh, I hope so. I know so. Hawaii has the best sunsets.